Imagine entering to the new year as a student in Brazil, holding the key to your new house. Yes, it is possible and people are already doing it. And this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. I want you to sit right tight because this information is very vital and it is not for everybody. A lot of foreigners living in Brazil already have their own apartments and houses. And I'm not talking about one or two. As a matter of fact, some of them even have multiple properties. And they rent the extra units out as Airbnb any morning, every month. Here is the interesting part. Most of them are not on social media. They don't share their financial moves and they never talk about these opportunities openly. Some of them, when they see this video, they were like, why do you have to divulge this kind of information to the public space? So I discovered this golden pathway in Brazil called Minha Casa Minha Vida. And I met someone who works with this program, who is trusted, verified, and already delivering keys. So I knew I had to bring this information to the people who actually want to build their future. And this is why I'm making this video. And guess what? You necessarily don't need to be living in Brazil already before you can be part of this program. If you are still living in Nigeria or another country, but you want to invest, you want to hold your property in Brazil, or you want to prepare your life ahead, I can help you achieve that dream step by step. Now, let me share with you the step one on how the program works. Minha Casa Minha Vida is Brazil's housing program. It allows you to secure a brand new apartment or house with an initial deposit. And after that deposit, your monthly payments begin. The monthly payment could range from 800 Brazilian reais. This is real, this is legal, this is government supported. Step number two, you are not paying rent. You are paying for your own property. 800 reais per month for a home, which could be like it could be a house, it could be an apartment, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. This company is going to tell you the one that is available, so you will pick the one that you want, and they will tell you if it is 2 bedroom, they will tell you the financial implication. If it is 2 bedroom, they will tell you the financial implication, and if it is even a studio like a loft, they will also tell you the financial implication. They will tell you what you need to deposit first, and the rest is going to be spread across certain period of time. So this program is actually in conjunction with Brazilian government, and of course the bank. You will start paying the bank back for a certain period of time. Bank is going to give the company the money to complete the house. So the moment the house is ready, you can start living there. And if you want, you can rent it out. Let's say the total amount of the house is 150,000 Brazilian reais. Company will tell you to pay certain amounts as initial deposit, like an entrada. So there's a way they calculate it. After you have paid, let's say you are asked to pay 10,000 Brazilian reais. After you have paid that, the rest is going to be spread to a certain period of time. They can tell you that the rest is going to be paid for, let's say, 10 years. And you can even decide to pay off as soon as you have enough cash with you, but you are going to get the key of the house. You can start living there, and you can also rent it out. Instead of you living elsewhere and paying rent, you can be living in this your house while you pay the money that you're supposed to be using for rent. You'll be paying it back to the company. Okay, so this is how Minha Casa Minha Vida works. Okay, and this is an opportunity that a lot of people in Brazil, foreigners, Brazilians, are taking advantage of, and it will be good if you are interested and you be part of it. I recently connected with a trusted person working directly with a verified company in this system here in Brazil. They are delivering keys to one of my contacts next year. So if you want to plan for the new year, this is the moment. You may need to contact me to make sure you receive clean guidance. I won't share this person contact publicly. If you are interested, whether you live in Brazil or abroad, send me an email or a message directly. I will guide you personally and connect you through the proper channel. Now I'm going to be showing you the project model, the layout of the unit, and the real footage from this site. I also spoke with the company representative and I recorded that conversation so you can understand everything from payment structure to delivery timeline. They have different projects. Some are going to be delivered in 2026, some are going to be delivered in 2027, some are going to be delivered in 2028, on and on. So it depends on the one that fits into your plan and to your budget. But the truth is that if you are part of this program, if you want to have your house, even though you don't have the whole money, it is possible. A lot of people are taking this advantage, and this is what I'm sharing with you. If you are rich, if you want to live there, fine. If you want to rent it out as Airbnb, it's fine. You know, Airbnb is medium to make money in Brazil. Room, the first bedroom, right? A very good one. You can see. Okay. Right, and right here is the second room. A very good investment. If you're planning of buying an apartment in Brazil, maybe you want to use it for Airbnb, or you want to be living there yourself. And so this is the bath. This is the bathroom. It's a 2-bedroom apartment with 1 bedroom. So if you are interested, just reach out to me, and I'm gonna connect you with my friend that is working in this company. I can tell you for free that is 100% genuine. You know, I'm here myself, so I've come here to see it for myself. The way it's done is going to be explained to us by my friend that I came to meet. Então, bom dia, Igor.
Bom dia, Mike. How are you doing? All good?
I'm doing very well.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. So I actually wanted to tell my audience about this project. You know, I met you and you told me about this, and I'm here myself to see it in the city of São Paulo. So I just wanted to tell me briefly about this project and some of the other project that's going to be delivered, the years, and how everything is going to be done.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. I'm glad to be here with Mike. Finally, we have in Brazil a very warm, welcoming country. So the program from the government, Minha Casa Minha Vida, that in English would be something like My House, My Life. It comes like, it helps you with many benefits for the buy of your first housing, like a house or apartment, mostly apartment in São Paulo because of the, space. And I will be glad to help you guys if you need so. I can give all the instructions as I did to Mike. We did it online because we have no more models for now. Like they are already almost calling to check if everything is okay on the floor, the ceiling. Okay. So that's it, guys.
All right. So can you quickly talk about, do you have some other projects, and what year are they going to be delivered?
Yes, actually, we are doing many projects close to the subway to make it easier. Like São Paulo is a huge metropolis, and sometimes traffic's disaster. So we need to have some ways to figure out how to move around the city. So we have coming Barra Funda, Carrão in the last. Oh my goodness, my English.
Yeah, it's okay. Everybody understands.
We have in Carrão, we have in Barra Funda. We have some more upcoming in the beginning of the year. We're gonna have 5 releases. I'll not give the spoiler now, but we're gonna have many options.
So after the one that's gonna be delivered in 2026, which other one are going to be delivered? Which year are they going to be delivered?
I think the next one's gonna be all around 27, maybe the end of 26. Sometimes maybe one come back again.
Okay.
As I told you, sometimes the client has some struggle with something, but mostly they're gonna be around 27.
Okay.
And 28 from now on.
Okay, so there's this thing I wanted to clarify to because most of my viewers, they are foreigners, right? Yes. I wanted to clarify, is it something that a foreigner can do, or is this for Brazilians alone?
No, this is for everybody. We don't have this division. Like you see how it works. It was like smooth, right?
Yeah.
You were very smart. Also, we were checking point by point. I was very happy to clarify all the questions and doubts, and this was like a great experience for me as well.
Yeah. Okay, so as you can hear from my friend, if you are a Brazilian or if you're a foreigner, it's an opportunity you can leverage on. It's an opportunity you can benefit from. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, in as much you are legally staying in Brazil and you have all the documentations, then you are good to go.
Basically, Mike did a purchase of an apartment that is still in project. So he paid a list price for something that is going to value very, very quickly. Like as soon as they deliver, the value is going to rise greatly.
Okay.
This is very common because normally if you want to buy a house in your apartment in whatever the place in Brazil, by law, you have to pay a huge percentage of the value of this housing by the moment you do this. But if you're going to buy in the project, you can do it in small parcels during the time of the construction. So it's something that can help many people that are willing to buy this one or don't want to have too much expenses for this kind of project.
Okay.
Not in the same spot.
So, thank you so much for this, your answer. Another thing I just want to clarify is I believe the documentation is not going to be a problem, right?
I think it's good we can mention it. It's, okay.
So, one more last question I want to ask is that, is it something that is going to be affordable in terms of the spread of the money, right? For example, is it something that the company can help you to spread such that it's going to be easier for you to pay?
Exactly. For example,
that somebody can be paying, at least you can be paying, for example, 1,000 reais or 500 reais or whatever.
Actually, the minimum for the payment for sealing the deal is 800 reais, as I told Mike.
Just 800?
Yes, just 800 reais. So if you want to buy one in a project, for example, we are in 2025, that the one is going to deliver in 2028. So you can, for example, you want to buy one that costs 217,000. And then you make the process with Caixa, you get an approval of 210, for example. The other 7,000 you have to pay for the construction, but you don't need to pay it in one time. Like you have this time to do this payment from 2025 to 2028.
Okay,
it's just an example, guys. You can do the mathematics over there, or maybe Mike can help us with the thing later on.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that later. So, guys, you've heard it from my friend. If you're interested, just send me, made a comment on this video, or you can also send me a message, and I will be swift to explain detail. But it's just like an investment you can make for yourself, for your kids, or for your wife. And one of the reasons I'm making this video is for me to confirm the genuinity, especially to some of my friends that I discussed with, and they were like, oh, am I really sure? Is it true? Is it not? So I'm here in the city of São Paulo. I'm in Lapa, and I've come to confirm. And my friend too, I'm grateful to God for making me to meet someone that is trustworthy as well, because it is not genuine. All over the world, we meet people that are scammers online, but when you meet people that are genuine, you have to appreciate God for that. So once again, thank you.
Thank you so much, my friend.
So, and if you're watching this video for the first time, you can hit the like button, share with someone that may be interested in having an investment in Brazil, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you are looking for a way to, maybe you are in another country and you want to make an investment, we can also figure out a way to do it on your behalf, right? So I will see you in another video. Até mais. Ciao, ciao. So guys, this is the information I brought to you in this video, and I'm trusting that you make good use of this information. Don't forget to like and share this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Knowledge Blog, and on this channel I'm going to be giving you all the information to the best of my knowledge that can help you to live and thrive in Brazil. Don't forget that you didn't come to Brazil just to survive. You came to build your life. And for those in another country planning their future, the new year is coming. Make it the year you will hold the key to your first home. I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.